Hello guys, today I want to show you 1 minute strategy that we'll be using to trade the news. Simply 1 minute strategy. It's used mostly by bankers to trade on fundamentals. They're making money out of this, okay? But then it hasn't connected. The network's still so slow. The network's so slow. It's killing us. Okay, we are back. It has connected. As you can see, I'm a risk taker. You can see the number of trades that I've opened, but then these trades will be in profit because a lot of them are swing trades, but then that doesn't matter. Okay, I want to show you how to trade the news. Remember today is what is the date? 24th of October, Wednesday. We have a couple of news events, of which I think the first one is German manufacturing PMI, which occurs somewhere around past 9. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's 9:30. Okay, suppose there are news at 9:30. It's a German, obviously euro. It affects euro. If you go to your investing.com app, you'll see on that event it's written euro to show that it affects euro. So you go to any euro pair, but then for euro events, the euro USD is the better pair to trade because it has lower spread. Okay, I can't find it. Where is it? Euro USD here. Okay, so you open the chart 3 minutes before the event. Suppose the news for euro, like German manufacturing PMI, let's say suppose it's on 9:30, 27 minutes past 9, 3 minutes before you open your M1 chart, ne? Then you look at your last candle. This M1 chart, remember you can change M5, whatever that you want to put, and then M1. You look at your last candle. Okay, look at your last candle, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't really affect anything. But then if you see now it's going up, once go up, so I can start with a sell stop, sell stop here. The news, German manufacturing PMI, according to me, they're not really that strong, but then they're still strong news whereby you can make a lot of money. So in that case, what you can do is you can add 150 points. Remember, this is a price, ne? The price is at 0 currently, so you either click negative or positive. That doesn't matter. Let's say you click positive here. You see the current price, ne? You subtract 150. In other words, you subtract 150 from the last 3 digits. In other words, you're subtracting 150 points. So 641 minus 150. What will we get? We'll get something like 491. 491. So here you place your here, somewhere here, just below where it's a return sell stop. It's showing you the lot size that you are placing your order. Remember guys, the reason that I've said you should use a broker with high leverage is that when you're trading news here, you're gonna place highest leverage that you can. Suppose you have 10 USD account, the highest leverage there that you can put, I recommend 0.1. That's fine. Then I place. Okay, then immediately you go for a buy stop. After you're done with sell stop, you go for buy stop. You do same thing, but then now on the price is 150. You add 150 there. So what is it gonna be? It's gonna be what? 791. 791. Okay, so it's 791. So now we place same lot size. Okay, then you go back to your chart. Okay, view it on M30, M15 maybe. Okay, MH1. You see, as you can see up here, this is our buy stop, this is our sell stop. Remember, if the news trigger in any direction, if the news go up, then it touches that buy stop there, it will open a buy. It will open a buy. Remember now, these are just orders. As you can see below there, these are just orders. Nothing is happening until the chart touches one of both. If it touches the sell stop, it will open a sell. If it touches a buy stop, it will open a buy. Now it's going to be a trade, no longer an order. Okay, so just when 9:30 reaches that time, the news will trigger, especially if it's not the news whereby someone is speaking, because if someone is speaking, it takes time for the news to trigger. So now if it's some event like German manufacturing PMI, you see exactly on that time the chart will be like highly volatile. Then it will touch either one of both. Okay, if it touches sell stop, then it's gonna be a sell. Then you, the moment it touches your sell stop, you come here quickly, you delete the buy stop order, because it will touch the sell stop, open a sell, then you close your profit. It will be a lot because you've opened with a high lot size for that account, of which is 10 USD. That's why I said for 10 USD account, you're gonna open your stop orders with 0.1 if you don't have any trade open. Okay, so now if it touches buy stop, obviously it's gonna open and buy, then you delete your sell stop order. That's how one minute strategy works, guys. Today it's gonna be news. I'll be taking a screen recording. I'll be recording the screen while I'll be trading those news, and then I'll show you guys later.